guess what? I came home. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. Alright guys, so in today's video, oh my god, I am so excited. Y'all, I have been wanting this for so long. I've been doing a whole lot of research. I've been watching so many unboxings. So yes guys, I am so excited to unbox this for you guys. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is what I came home to, guys. If you know, then you know. Yes! So let's go ahead and open this up. Y'all ready? Yes, I have an iMac. Yes, your girl is so excited. They did pick this up for me from our local Best Buy. Yes, guys, let's take this out the box. Look at this, so vibrant. All right, and it's heavy. Just this little pill back here, and you just, real quick, you know, this breaks the seal. So it opens front facing here. I'm gonna go ahead and move it out. We have this right here. We'll open this when we get to the desk. But yes, I'm assuming this is the keyboard. So that is here. This part is really on there. Like I said, they're gonna make sure that your stuff is protected. All right guys, so we have made it to the desk. Let's go ahead and continue with the unboxing. It has a little sticker here. I'm gonna peel that off. Leave it to me. Let's just take a moment, you know, to just embrace it. Y'all, I am so thankful. Y'all, my baby loved me. He loved and support me. I am so thankful for that. Oh, look at this. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to unboxing this keyboard and mouse that I have here. All right, so yes. All right, so once you slide it out the packaging, this is how it comes. You have the keyboard and the mouse. So let's go ahead and unwrap this keyboard. It has a tab down here. Okay. The back is like a smooth, almost glass type, I want to say. All right, so this is the back of the keyboard. I don't know if you guys can see the Apple back there because of this ring light. And again, this is the front of it. But yes, this is so slim, guys. So cute, so lightweight. This is wireless and chargeable, which I love. All right, so let's open this mouse. So cute. Look at this little baby here. This is the back of it. This is so sleek and lightweight, and this is the Magic Mouse 2. All right, so let's see what else is in the box. Now, this looks like it's just going to be an information pamphlet, which I will open in a second. I do want to note that we have the charger down here in the bottom. And y'all, you cannot go wrong with the Apple chargers. Thank y'all for another one because, like I said, chargers can mess up so easily. But yes, I have another one. Now, this is also the same charger that charges the keyboard, my phone, my AirPods, my mouse, my iPad, like just about all of my electronics. This charger charges them, which is amazing to have a backup. But yes. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this pamphlet. And this is what it is here. Let's see. All right, you got the good old iMac. And of course, like I said, this is an information pamphlet. It also looks like they give you a microfiber cloth, which is nice to clean it with because, girl, this thing is nice and shiny. We do not need any fingerprints and we do not need to mess it up, okay? It is. All right, so this is the moment that we have all been waiting for. Let's go ahead and power this thing up. So it is powering up. I don't know how long this is going to take, so I'm going to go ahead and get into the specs and everything else while we wait. I'm going to read the specs from the box. So here it states that this is a 21.5-inch iMac with 4K Retina display. This is a 16:9 widescreen LED backlit Retina 4K display, 3.6 gigahertz quad-core Intel. This also comes with 256 gigabytes of storage. Now, for some people, that may not be enough, but for me, that is perfectly fine. I can always get an external hard drive if I need to, which I don't think will be necessary. I'm going to use this to edit my YouTube videos. So once I upload them to YouTube, I typically delete them or back them up to the iCloud or Google Photos. If you're looking on the website, this is the middle one. But yes, guys, my babe brought me this and I am so happy and excited. So yes, this is my early birthday gift. Taurus gang, my birthday is April 30th. So it is coming up soon. Shout out to all the Taurus. And then for my tech people, so whoever out there that wants to say, you know, Apple's coming out with the new silicon, you know, the new chip for the new iMacs of 2021. That is perfectly fine. I'm well aware of that. When I say I've done my research, I've done my research. And I'm definitely an Apple girl. I'm filming on an iPhone XS Max. I have the Apple Watch. I have AirPods, an iPad. Like, I'm an Apple girl to heart, but this is my first desktop. And the reason why I chose an iMac over a PC is mainly because, like I said, I have all Apple products. If I need to get something from my phone or my iPad, I can just airdrop it to my iMac and be good to go. This is definitely an investment. And then, like I said, I've been working so hard with YouTube. I've been grinding, trying to stay consistent for you guys. If you made it this far in the video, shout out to you. You're definitely a real one, and I thank you and I appreciate you. And don't forget to subscribe. So I have skipped past all the boring parts. We are now set up. Look at this display. It is so nice, so crisp and clear, which I love. And again, this is the 4K Retina display. All right, guys, that is it. As you have just saw, we unboxed our brand new iMac, which I am so happy. Look out for more videos to come pertaining to this iMac. Here it is here behind me. I'm going to go ahead and end this video so that I can go ahead and get it customized. Let me know if you would like to see a video regarding that as well. And thank you guys again for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.